No,
All right.
but according to the question, we have to write the code for four-digit number, right?
Yes. So the question says write a program to
So,
accept a four-digit number and check whether it's a super spy number. A super spy number is such that its sum of the digits is equal to the number of digits. Okay, so 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 is 4, so it's supposed to be a super spy number. Now, that's the problem. See, the user, he can either enter a four-digit number or he might enter some other number. So do we need to write the code to check if the number is first of all a four-digit number before checking the sum of digits? Okay, we'll have to do both. Okay, there are two ways to do the program. One way is you assume that the number is a four-digit number and don't check if it's a four-digit number. You just do the sum of the digits part. Add the digits and see if you're getting 4. Then it's a four-digit. Then it's the super spy number. The second way is a little more better, where you're also checking if the number the user entered is a four-digit number. And then you're also adding the digits, and you should get 4 as the sum of digits. Okay. So yes, any doubt in the question now, everyone? Did you understand the logic behind the program?
Yes, sir.
So what we'll do is we'll do both. Okay. We will check the number of digits and also the sum of digits. Now, how do you check the number of digits? Ryan already told the answer. That is, you'll put a counter in your while loop. Right. So you have your while loop. All number programs, you have this while loop where n is greater than 0. As long as n is greater than 0, you will keep looping these statements. Now, inside this first thing is extracting the last digit. So d is equal to n modulus 10. Then here you will find the sum. S is equal to s plus d, where you're adding the sum of the digits. And the last statement is where you're eliminating the last digit. N is equal to n divided by 10. Right. This much code, what does it do, everyone? What does this much do?
Extracting the digit.
This whole thing, what I've highlighted here, what does this much do?
Extract the digits and add them.
So basically finding the sum of the digits. Right, it finds the sum of the digits and stores it in S. Okay. Before this, we have to also initialize the value of S. Okay, so while doing your declarations, you're declaring D, you're declaring S, you're declaring N. While declaring S, you have to initialize it with the value 0. Okay, now this much only does sum of digits. We also have to count the number of digits. So in between this, somewhere over here, we will just have a counter. So each time your loop gets executed, you're counting how many times the loop gets executed, which will also count the number of digits. Right? For a four-digit number, the loop will run 4 times. Okay, so your counter will also become 4. So counter also should be initialized as 0 here. Yes. Okay. All right. So this much does both now. It counts the number of digits in C and it also has the sum of digits in S. Is that clear, everyone? Leah, is it clear? Are you listening or are you doing something else? Clear? Everyone clear with this much?
Yes, sir.
That's the counter which has the number of digits and it will have the sum of digits. Okay. Now what do we have to do after this?
We have to check that the sum of the digits is equal to the original number of digits.
Not the original number. We just have to check whether S is equal to what?
See,
Counter.
The counter. And also they should be equal to 4. What if the counter is 5 and sum of digits also is 5? Then also your statement will be true, right? Both should be 4. So put another condition and S or C is equal to 4. See, what if we only put S is equal to C? Then both could be 5, both could be 6, both could be 7. Right? You need them to be 4 also. So that's why we have two conditions. One condition is where they both are equal. Second condition is where that value, whether it is S or C, it is equal to 4. Is that clear, everyone? Okay. So if both the conditions are true, it's a Superspy number. Else, it is not a Superspy number. This is the code. Any doubts, anyone on Superspy number? Let's run the program. Oh, we did not take the number from the user. Okay, there are a few things that we have missed out. I just wrote the gist of the program. Okay, I didn't take the input part, so that has to be done. Okay, your importing and all that. Okay, you do that part. I will just give a value here itself. Okay, I'm giving the value of n as 1021. Okay, just to see whether the program is working or not. Oh, semicolon. Okay, so yes, it is a Superspy number. Okay, 1021. Let's change the number. Let me give 1022. Now 1022 is a 4-digit number, but when you add the digits, you're getting 5. Right. So it is not a Superspy number. Okay. Now I'll give a 5-digit number which adds up to 4. Yeah, but it's a 5-digit number. Is it a Superspy number? It is not a Superspy number. Okay, so our code is working. It is checking both whether the number is a 4-digit number as well as whether the sum of the digits is 4-digit. Okay. All right, complete the program with the input part also.